This is National Geographic Channel presents. Take an obsessed IMAX filmmaker. Add one 7-ton tank.
Not sure it's a tornado, almost 4.
Mix in a scientist armed with the latest technology. And put them all on a collision course with a tornado. And you've got one hell of a recipe for disaster. A lot of people chase tornadoes and watch from a safe distance.
We're safe. We're safe here, Jim. We're safe.
But this team is different. They're not just chasing, they're going inside.
Oh, there it is.
Now, a filmmaker and a scientist join forces on a potentially deadly quest to push Twister science further than ever before with the first human tornado intercept.